Hello everyone, welcome to another AI video tutorial in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video, we're going to talk about a new AI video tool which is called Pika Labs. So Pika Lab just published an incredible AI website for their new Pika Lab 1.0. So all these videos that you're seeing right now are all made by Pika. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it and what kind of amazing features that you can use to create some amazing videos for your own project, and you can use this now for free and unlimited. So I got the access for it, and you can also join by go to this pika.art website and join the waitlist. So let's dive in and let's learn how to create the video like this. So when you get access to Pika Lab 1.0, this is the website now look like this. So in the right corner you will see explore, and here's the option of my library. And under there you can see there's the option prompt here, which will create the video here, and also you can upload your image or video, and these are the parameters here. So first let's create a video here. So let's just put a prompt here. So I just put a simple prompt, an abandoned house middle of nowhere, and here's the settings here. So let's just create this video, then I'll show the settings. So let's just click on it, and this will generate in my library here. As you can see, I already created lots of video with this. So this will take some time, so I will skip this part here. So here it is, my video has been made, and you can see this looks amazing here. Just a simple prompt, an old house middle of nowhere, and this created like a cinematic film vibe type here. So I'm going to show you the settings here. After creating a video with the simple prompt here, you will see there's a lot of options here: retry, reprompt, edit, and also you can add 4 seconds and upscale. So if you just click on retry, it will use the same prompt here like I use here and create another video. So let's just hit the retry here, and it will start to create another video. And if I just click on my video here and just click on it, and let's just add also 4 seconds for my video with this abandoned house. Let's just click on add 4 seconds, so it will create an extended video is ready. So if I watch this video, and as you can see, this is the retry prompt with that an old house middle of nowhere. So this is a video in 16:9 ratio here. Also, if you want to download this video, you can see there's an option of download button here. You can just click on download, and this video will immediately download to your PC here. So if I go to this down here, and as you can see, add 4 seconds. So if you want to add 4 seconds of the video, you just have to click on this again here, and this will generate a video for me with the same abandoned house video with just adding 4 seconds here. So while the video is making here, I'm going to this settings option here. So there is an option called video option, motion control, and parameters. If I go to the video option here you will find the frames per second, how many frames that you want in your video. So 24 is good for any video, so I'll use this 24 frame FPS here. And this is the motion control, where you can use your camera control here, pan, zoom in, zoom out, tilt your video, rotate, and also the zoom in, zoom in option, zoom in, zoom out option. And this is the option of strength of motion here. So in the first video that I've created with this abandoned house, old house, which is the slow motion camera, because the strength of motion is only 1 here. So if I just use the motion higher here, the motion of the video will be a lot faster in the video. And let's go to the parameters here. And here's the parameters. You can also add negative prompt here like ugly, bad, terrible, and if you want to remove something from your video. And here's the option of consistency with the text here. So it will just take your text as what you want in your video. So right now I'm only using 8 here. You can increase this option, but if you increase this option here, the video will not be similar. The text that you put here, it will go like crazy, something, create another like video. So I'll just go with for the middle here, or you can just choose reduce the consistency of the text here. And here's another option I forgot to show you there. This is the aspect ratio option. You can choose 9.16, 1:1, 5.2. So there's a lot of aspect ratio you can choose, but right now I'm gonna only choose the 16.9 here. And as you can see, the 7-second video is made here, and if I play that video, the video is extended to 7 seconds here. So there's the option of upscale here. So if I just click on upscale this video, and it will start to upscale my video. As you can see, now my upscale version of this video is ready here. So let's just click to expand this, and let's see. And the video is look kind of upscale here. So there's another cool feature that I want to show you in this Pika Lab AI here, which if you generate a video here, there is an option of edit here. If we just click on edit, and this will show you this modify region and expand canvas. So if I want to modify this, just click on modify, and you can choose anywhere you want to add something or remove something here. For let's say I want to remove this tree here. So if I just choose this canvas and just put it like this, and let's say I want to remove this tree from this here, let's just type remove tree, and let's just create the video here. So here's the video. I just modify the video, remove tree, and it's really removed the tree. And I also tried another prompt, add a tree, and this created this video here. As you can see, it also added a tree on my video here. So this is a cool feature in the edit here. And there's another feature in the edit here. If I just go to the expand canvas here, and you can also expand the video like this. So if I want to 9:16 ratio, we can also expand to 5:2 ratio. So let's just expand this here, and let's just click on the star button. Sorry, I have to also put a prompt here. So I just put expand here and click on this try button, and it will start to generate my video. Let's see. So my expand version of the video is created here. As you can see, if I expanded, and as you can see, this is really turned into a great video here, which is the ratio is expanded version of 5:2 here. So there's another cool feature in Pika AI Lab, which is you can also add an image or video to modify your video or create a video with the image here. So I have created some images with my Leonardo AI here, so I'm going to upload an image here. So let's just upload that image. And here's the image is uploaded. So I'm not gonna put a prompt here. I'm just going to use the video option frame, and also I'm going to set the motion to 2 here, and I'm going to use the zoom out option here. And for the parameters, there's no text, so I'll not set the default version, and just click on the start button, and it will start to create my video. So here's the video that it created from me, from my image to this look like an superhero here. So because I have increased the motion here, maybe that's why the videos look like this, but it's also look amazing here. So if you can also upscale it and also add 4 seconds to this image of this video here. So that's it guys, this is a crazy tool right now. You can use it for free. Just go to Pika Lab and join the waitlist. You can get access to for free here, and you can make unlimited videos here. So that's it guys, I'm gonna wrap up the video here. If you found this video helpful, and if you want to watch this type of AI tutorial update here, please leave a comment here, and a super thanks will be very highly appreciated for this channel to support. So once again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.